Welcome to mosque number 3. This is Sultan Eyüp Mosque. This is officially known as the most religious part of Istanbul. So if you're a Muslim and you're covered with a hijab, this would be the perfect place to come to and buy a lot of clothing. This is where you're gonna find the best clothing, halal clothing for you and the family. So here we go. And here's the mosque, Sultan Eyüp Mosque. And his graveyard is actually right next to the mosque. It's located over there. We'll show you here in a second. And one of the things that's very different than other mosques compared to here, you're gonna see a lot of graveyards. A lot of graveyards from the Ottoman time. So you can see a couple there, and there's literally a couple hundred here. So you can see many more back there. The ones that have the circle round on top, they were highly ranked individuals with the Ottoman Empire. This is one of the famous spots here for the front of the mosque with a fountain. And there's a whole pigeon family over there. You can buy some food, feed the pigeons. Like, I'm not getting on my seat, fool. So in Islam, it's forbidden to throw food on the ground. So one of the things that is allowed is put it on a wall, on a high place, so cats and animals can eat it, and it counts as good deed. So you can see this entire wall, all above it is covered with bread and meat. So this is something very normal in Turkey. So even if you see a bread that's on the ground, the typical practice is to pick it up, kiss it 3 times, put it in your forehead, and put it on the wall or a high place. So very common. This is actually very empty. It's usually lying out the door. So this is the footprint of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Once again, the entry to the tomb, to the mosque here is free of charge. There's no charge for it. There's no parking in the mosque, at the masjid. There's parking all around. It's easy to get here. You can take a taxi, or you can just park right before you get to the mosque. There's multiple parking locations you can get to. So very easy. I got you guys. I got you guys. One of my favorite mosques, masjids for sure. Been here plenty of times. There's just something about this mosque here. It's very special. It's one of the few mosques that when you pray, you're actually looking at a graveyard right in front of you. Definitely brings a different set of emotions when you're standing in front of God, getting ready to pray. Definitely makes you think your priorities for sure. Now the masjid was built in 1458, just 5 years after the Ottoman Empire took over Constantinople, aka Istanbul. So it was built pretty quickly. And the reason they built the mosque here is because the graveyard, the tomb they found there, that you saw there was found here, which is the companion of the Prophet, peace be upon him. So instead of shipping it back to Mecca or Medina, they decided to build a mosque right next to the tomb. So that tomb has been here a lot longer than the masjid, the mosque itself. The companion is Abu Ayyub al-Ansari. So he was a companion of the Prophet, peace be upon him. He was sent across the world to spread the message of Islam. Back then, that's how they did. They literally sent people by horses and camels to spread Islam.